This is a brief session to help you get started drawing your own figure in Paint. Of course, if you have used Paint before, you really don't need to view these. Step number 1, I'd recommend that you make a template for yourself, dividing the figure into 3 sections. It's easy to draw a line. Pick the line tool and draw it. I have one that I've previously drawn, and you could even enhance this idea by drawing the basic figure in your template and then making changes to it. Okay, if you've never had an art class, it's hard to realize how artists actually work, but they do layer things. For example, if they wanted to do a head with a hat, they would draw the entire head, then put the hat on top of it, and instead of drawing the hat first and then the head underneath it. So we might pick an oval for the head. And then we might pick another oval for a hat brim. Then a rectangle to make a stovepipe hat. If I'm unhappy with something, I can say Edit Undo. I realized that when I made that rectangle, I didn't start far enough away, far enough over. You can then use the eraser tool to get rid of unwanted lines. Now, it's very hard to work with it at this density, so we can go to View, Zoom, and change it to a bigger size. 200 or 400% are pretty good, actually. I will pick the eraser. I have different sizes. I think a smaller one would work here. Even so, look at how big the small one is. About now, I think I should save this. I just wiped out my template. Ouch. File, save as. The ones I used in the example were the 24-bit bitmap, and so we'll do this basic head. There. Now I can view back to normal. To get color into these things, colors, edit colors, and I can pick a color off of this bar, or I can go to custom colors, where I can slide around and change the intensity. If you're going to keep using that color, add it to custom colors. Now, when I pick on the paint can, I can fill with the color.